to my channel. Today is like a very special video for me because I'm going to do this Eid get ready with me look. This Eid I am not doing anything fancy, like not wearing any Indian wear or anything, because I did not go out shopping or anything. I just I'm going to wear a very simple outfit. I will show you guys my outfit at the end of the video. Also, I created this very simple eye makeup look and bold lips, which goes really well with the outfit that I'm wearing. I'm wearing this white geometric top which also has blue and black prints. This was gifted to me by a friend 2 days back, so that is why I'm wearing this. I really love how this looks. Also, my Eid look this time is very simple because of this whole pandemic thing going on. We are not going to do any grand celebration or anything. We just all going to get dressed up and have some good food and spend quality time with our family. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting with a nice clean face, I am going to use the Pond's Super Light Gel as my moisturizer today. I'm just going to dot it all over my face and going to massage it nicely into my skin. And then patting it and also letting the moisturizer soak into my skin for some time. For my sunscreen, I'm using the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer sunscreen. Just going to again dot it all over my face. I use a sunscreen even when I'm indoors, so that's why I'm applying a sunscreen here. And then again going to massage the sunscreen really well. I love the sunscreen because it does not leave any whitish cast. For my lips, I'm using the Baby Lips lip balm and going to layer a nice thick layer of lip balm onto my lips. Moving on to my foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal and the Sugar foundation. Clearly, the L'Oreal is a little light for me and the Sugar is a little dark for me. So I'm going to dot the Sugar foundation all over my face and also taking some onto my neck. I'm dotting the Infallible foundation onto my face to create my shade. And then I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend everything out. I really love the finish that the beauty blender gives with the combination of this foundation. Moving on to eyes, I'm going to color correct just a little bit because I have really dark circles. Applying just a little bit of the orange corrector onto my inner corners and also on my eyelids, and then I'm going to blend it out using my fingers so that it blends really well with the skin. For concealer, I'm using the L'Oreal True Match Concealer, and again I'm going to use this on my inner corners, on the outside of my eye and also on my lids. I'm also going to apply some around my mouth. That's where I have hyperpigmentation, and then again I'm going to blend everything out using my fingers first so that I get the most amount of coverage. Using a beauty blender, I'm going to go over the areas that I concealed to pick up any excess product that I might have applied. Then I'm going to set all of this using my K-Beauty setting powder in the shade Olive. I really love this setting powder. It does not crease my under eyes, and that's what I love about this. I'm going to set my under eyes, my face, my neck, all of this using the same setting powder. Now that my foundation is done, I'm moving on to eyebrows. I'm using a brown shade and filling any sparse areas in my eyebrows. I don't have a lot, but whatever I have, I am going to fill in those, and then using a spoolie to brush off any excess powder that I might have applied. Using the Nykaa Glamorize eye pencil in the shade Azure Charm, I'm going to draw a nice dramatic wing eyeliner. Just a basic wing eyeliner, but I really love the color. This pencil is exactly the same color as the print on my dress, and that is why I picked this eyeliner. That is it, a very simple winged eyeliner. Then I'm going to use my Faces Canada matte eyeliner and going to go over the blue wing that I created, just going to outline it and create a border for the blue wing eyeliner that is already there. Also, I'm concentrating the black eyeliner on my inner corners to create this nice ombre effect. It is very simple, guys. It might look complicated on screen, but it is very simple, and it really makes the blue eyeliner pop. Using the same blue eyeliner, I'm going to go over to create a nice vibrant color. Then using the same eye pencil, I'm going to line the lower lash line. Using a black eye pencil, I'm going to go over the blue line that I created, and then using a smudger brush to smudge everything out. Then I'm using an eyelash curler to curl my lashes because I have the straightest lashes in the world. So I'm going to curl them, and then using my favorite Colossal Volume Express mascara, I'm going to coat my eyelashes. I'm not going to wear any falsies today, just going to coat my eyelashes really well. That is it, guys. The eyes are done. Next, I'm going to contour my face. I'm using the Sugar contour and picking up just a little bit of product on my contour brush and going to ever so slightly contour my face, and also dragging the contour towards my hairline. Moving on to lips, I'm using the Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Mousse in the shade Plum Feather, and applying it directly onto my lips. For a bold eye like this, I would usually go with a nude liner, but this time I'm going to go with a pink. Using the same lipstick as my blush as well to create this nice monochrome effect. Moving on to my favorite part, I'm using this baby right here. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlight. I really love this highlight. It is very pretty. I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks, and you guys can see how beautiful it looks. It looks like this from within kind of glow and has no chunky particles whatsoever. I really love this highlight. I'm going to take some on the center of my face, and also going to apply a little bit more because I like a really nice highlighted look. Also, this is such a beautiful highlighter, guys. You can go a little overboard with this highlighter and it will not make your face look glittery or chunky whatsoever. And I'm going to fix everything using the Faces Canada makeup fixer. I'm just spraying a nice amount and then using my beauty blender and going over my whole face. And that is the finished look, you guys. I really love how the makeup turned out. I went out of my comfort zone and put on a pink lip instead of a nude with such a bold eyeliner. But I really like how the look turned out. Let me know in the comment section below if you liked the look. And also Eid Mubarak to all my lovely people out there. And last but not the least, this is my outfit. I've just worn a pair of very simple black heels and a pair of plain black palazzos that I paired with this very beautiful geometric print top and thrown in a black scarf. So that is it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for coming here. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.